Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your layout in Affinity. So let's get into it. Before we begin, let's check the current canvas and image size first. Head over to Document Setup on the context toolbar right here. You can see the canvas is currently 1920 pixel in width and 1080 pixel in height. Now let's check the image size. Select the image and go to the Transform panel, and there it is, 1920 pixel in width and 1080 pixel in height, which is the same size as the canvas. If you want to resize everything, including the canvas and all the objects on it, here's how to do it. Head over to Document, Setup, Resize, and click Document. Here you can see the document size, and we are going to scale it down. But before you change anything, make sure you click this little icon here to lock the aspect ratio, so everything stays proportional. Now I'll change the width to 800 pixel, and you can see the height automatically adjusts to match. And you can also change the DPI here if you need to, but I leave mine at 72. Once you're happy with the settings, hit enter or click the resize button. Now let's check the results. Press Ctrl D to deselect, then click Document Setup, and the canvas size has changed. Now select the image, open up the Transform panel, and the image size has changed too. So that's how you resize the whole layout in one go. It's pretty straightforward. Now let's move on. This time we are going to resize the canvas only and keep everything on it the same size. To do this, go to Document, Setup, Resize, and this time select Canvas. Now you can lock the aspect ratio if you want the canvas size to stay proportional, or unlock it if you want to change the size freely. It won't affect the objects on it. So I'll unlock it and change the width to 1000 pixel and the height to 800 pixel. Let me also change the anchor to center, so the image stays centered when the canvas is resized. Then I'll click the resize button. And there you go. The canvas is now larger, but the image stays exactly the same size. I'll head over to Document Setup, and here we can see the canvas size. Now I'll select the image, and on the Transform panel, we can see the image size, which is the same as before. And there you have it. That's how you resize your layout in Affinity. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like and share buttons. Don't forget to subscribe as well so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks and bye.